What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here and welcome to this Creating Trance Kicks tutorial. After releasing a number of kick sample packs on my website, I've had many requests asking me how I create my kicks, and now you can see exactly how I do this. I'll be showing you how I can create a number of different style trance kicks, from punchy trance kicks like this, to heavy trance kicks like this, and also some hard trance kicks like this. But most importantly, this 2-hour in-depth tutorial will show you exactly how to make any style kick that you like. The video will cover everything from covering the anatomy of a kick drum and how one is built. We'll be looking at how to create a kick drum from scratch, how to get your clicks to fit nicely with your sub-frequencies. We'll also be looking at how to overcome phase issues when building your kicks, as well as shaping the tail of your kicks to suit your taste and tracks. Also, how to make similar kicks to your favorite ones so that you can also do that. We'll also be looking at how to create your own clicks, as well as tips for gaining more control over your trance kicks. We'll be looking at how to change the character of your kicks through harmonics, as well as looking at EQ, leveling, limiting, compression, effects, and processing, as well as how to determine the key of your kicks. As well as all this, we'll be looking at exporting your kicks for high quality audio files, as well as how to create different variations from that same kick. We'll be looking at adding different distortion and saturation for different outcomes, as well as balancing out your kick drums for different tones and textures. We'll be looking at clicks, everything you can think of, high pass, low pass filter techniques, plus much more. So if you want to learn how to make your own kicks, then be sure to check it out at alanmorrowstudios.com.